Hi guys. So the thing is that I'm new to this thing of me talking with a microphone, and I have to be careful not to press any kind of button. Otherwise, it stops recording. I'll go mute, and it is connected to an adapter, so I have to be very cautious. Because I have this habit of you know pressing things here and there. So, anyways, so welcome back. This is a long form video. I am making this long form video after ages. Last time I did it was in the pre-COVID era, and I was literally blabbering about some random stuff. So here I am going to talk about something which is like not going to talk about. Basically, the thing is that in recent times or year, whatever you might want to call it, I have seen like there has been a spurt in people's consumption of content coming from Northeast and Southeast Asia. So Northeast Asia is the region comprises of South Korea, North Korea, and Japan. And Southeast Asia is basically the region, which comprises of countries like China, Thailand, Myanmar, Taiwan, and Singapore. Yeah. If I'm missing out any countries, let me know. Let me know down in the comments. I would love to know. So the content from these regions is becoming popular day by day. Like the the popularity is basically skyrocketing. Everything, like you name it, the music and the literature, like we have seen, like manga was the only thing that was popular, but now apart from manga, like every single aspect, the content and even the skincare and cosmetics are becoming popular among millennials and gen z's alike. So but today we are going to talk about literature. Mainly the thing is, one thing that sets the region apart from other regions, which is Europe, from a fact that it's unique and very peculiar in nature. And mainly in literature, the thing is, the only two, the only two people I can think of who are very popular from this region is Haruki Murakami and the guy who wrote Before the Coffee Gets Cold. And the convenient, you know, what is the name? Ha, the Sakaya Murata, who wrote the famous Convenience Store Woman. So, yeah, and host of other authors who are now getting the kind of popularity like I have seen a lot in my book Instagram and book talk. Thing is that some of the pieces that come are either like there are not there every the thing is some of these pieces that come, they they have a very like there is no middle ground, like there is no middle ground. Either they are very warm, fuzzy, and feels like you're having a cup of hot chocolate, and on the other hand they take like the plot gets messier, much airy in nature, like it makes no sense but it's there. Obviously I have experienced the latter part in the book that I have recently read, which is The Mysterious Setting by Kazushike Abe. Yeah. Sorry if I'm butchering the pronunciation, so bear with my pronunciation. So bear. In this novel, it follows the story of a girl named Shirohi who hails from Japan's Tohoku region. From young age, Shirohi aspired to be a singer-songwriter. Although in the novel is written lyricist, but I think songwriter and is synonymous to lyricist only. But here's the catch: she is a tone deaf person. Yeah, yeah, tone deaf person becoming a singer. What an irony! This limitation of hers, and along with her sister's constant bullying and gaslighting, did not stop her from pursuing the dream. Like at the age of 18, she moves to New York and enroll in a music school. And during that time, she encounters people like who, right off the bat, sense her naivety and takes advantage of that. And amid all the commotion that was happening, she was entrusted with the task that literally, placed her on the edge of life and death. So in my like, I don't want to reveal all of this for obvious reasons, not for the obvious reason. I don't want to spoil your reading experience. You know, the kind of twist that I have mentioned earlier, that is the twist. And you know, this novel is an acquired taste. And the thing I did not like about the book is its ending. The thing is, I'm very particular about how things should end. And it and it and if the ending gets vague, and if you end it in a vague manner, I will be like, huh. My expression when I read the ending. Ugh. Ugh. Yeah. However, like I like the novel explored the themes of bullying and manipulation, like through the lens of the protagonist. So, if I were to describe the genre of the novel, there is no specific. Like, I can't put them in some kind of a box. Like, what kind of genre is it? Novel. Hmm. So, what should I rate this novel? It's 2.5 stars. Let's be real. Not that magnificent. It did not, it did not move me. Mm, yeah. Okay. Yeah, like I said, acquired taste. So that is it. If you like these reviews, like the way I review novel or anything else, so do like, share, subscribe, like usually what the creators say in these videos. By the way, I like the way I. The only thing I like about this video is the lighting and my gloss. कुछ भी बकवास कर रही हूँ. चलो ठीक है, bye guys. See you soon.